Welcome to Manshu's world. My name is Manshu. Hi.
How are you today, Manasvi?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, Manasvi, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Will you answer them for me? Okay. Could you tell me some good manners? What do you say somebody gives you something? What do you say somebody gives you something?
Thank you.
Good. When you do something wrong?
Sorry.
Okay. When you ask something from somebody?
Please.
Good. Okay, Manasvi, could you just tell me what is the food you eat in the morning call?
Breakfast.
Good. What is the food you eat in the afternoon call? Afternoon.
Lunch.
Good. What is the food that you eat at the night call?
Dinner.
Oh, wow. Okay, just tell me the opposites. I'll just ask you the few words. You have to tell me the opposite of it, okay? Okay. What is the opposite of day?
Night.
Good. What is the opposite of up?
Down.
What is the opposite of fast?
Slow.
Good. What is the opposite of beautiful?
Ugly.
Good. Okay, Manasvi, could you just tell me how many senses we have?
5.
What are those, beta?
See.
Hmm.
Here.
Okay.
Man.
Okay.
Taste.
What? Taste?
Taste.
Hmm.
That.
Good. Wow. Okay. Who flies an aeroplane?
Toilet.
Good. Who drives a car?
Fire.
Drive?
Drive.
Driver.
Driver.
Oh. Who sails the ship?
Captain.
Good. Where does an aeroplane lands? Where does an aeroplane lands?
In the airport.
In the airport. Wow, good. Where are the cars parked, beta? Okay, it's okay. Where are the cars parked?
The parking lot.
Good. Okay, Manasvi. Manasvi, beta. Okay, thank you so much. Did you enjoy? Say bye then.
Bye.
Take care.